Okay. I'm really messing that up.
We got the pan off the tranny because we need to make some adjustments to the shift points. This is the V730. We got a homemade Allison shift point adjuster tool made out of some welding rod. I'm gonna record this.
Use my little pointy tool to count how many notches over. Here, I'll let you hold that. Thank you. One, two, three, four. Four from the bottom is the 2 to 3. And the way it shifts, I'm just going to take it all the way to 0, down to number 1. So what you do there is
Is it clicking when you do that?
yeah, well, it doesn't click, but I gotta cut one leg of that thing off a little bit because it's not quite perfect. Okay, we're down to 1 and we started at 4.
Okay.
So that'll stop it from shift cycling, or it should. If it doesn't, we got other shit to worry about.
And that was 2 to 3.
That's 2 to 3. So let's see. 1 to 2 is on 1, 2. It's on 3. And that's from the low side. And what I'm going to do to it is take it down to 1 also. Uh-oh. Overshot the runway. There. Clear down, clear down. So what do you think we ought to do with lockup? Just run it clear down too?
That's for everything, so that would be in both second and third when it locks up.
Yeah. And I'm gonna.
Where's it at now?
It's in 3.
Maybe bump it down a little bit. Maybe bump it down 1 notch. I don't know. I don't really recall what it was doing in lockup. So.
Well, actually, that's not 3. Pardon me. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in 5. So,
Well, I like lockup. So does lowering it make it lock up sooner?
yeah.
Okay.
Unless I'm going to say we're in 5 now, so I think we need to go down to like 3
Okay.
and see what that's like. Come on, baby. Four. That little. Come on, baby. Be nice to me.
The whole thing's gonna
That's
move
3
around.
right there.
Okay.
Well, that's just a slug that pushes on the, keeps that adjuster where you want it. So we got all the shift spots down to number 1, and then we got lock up down to 3 from 5.
Okay.